Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Sharon. Today I'm going to be rating my fidgets and showing you what they are. So first is my my putty. It's very sticky, but I'll show you what it looks inside. It's very good, and I'll give this a 10 out of 10. My second is my simple dipple. Not the best. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. And then this poppet, it don't make the best sound. Let's flip it over to the loud side. It makes good sounds on the loud side. So I'll give this 5 out of 10. Then this one is the bottom. So this is the quiet side. Loud side. Okay, bye guys. It'll be 10.